So this is how you can use your Temu affiliate program. So I'm gonna open up the browser. This is my Temu affiliate website or my Temu affiliate account. So as you can see, I already have 100 available to withdraw, but how do you actually earn money from this? Well, as you can see, if we scroll down over here to you can earn, we can earn commission and download rewards for everyone who uses our link. It's quite simple. Simply tap on the share to earn button and tap on copy link. Or you could even send it to their messages, Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, X, and Line. So, how does this work? Well, if you send them a link and they open it and then they download Temu from it and then they make an order from it, basically you're going to get 20% commission or 30 even from that order, and you get download rewards just for them downloading the app. It's way better than just asking your friend to join and not gaining any money. So why not join the Temu affiliate program, right? So how do you actually get this money? Well, as you can see, there's this orange button that says withdraw. So there is a minimum withdrawal, which is 500 in my country's currency, but I'm sure it's different for everyone. So you have to hit a minimum in order to withdraw. So just keep sharing and keep getting more affiliates, and then I'm sure you will earn money in no time. You could even share items over here. As you can see, share items to earn. If you go on ahead and tap on the share to earn button, you will get commissions if they do buy it. It's actually a pretty fun way of earning money because all you have to do is send these things that your people or your friends will probably buy anyway. So why not just let them buy from your links, right? And yeah, that is how you can earn money through the Temu affiliate and influencer website. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.